Now, after 2 rounds of talks between India and China failed to yield any result, their third round of brigade commander level meeting is likely to happen in Chushul. Sources have told India today that the talks on Tuesday failed to end the ongoing stalemate in the south of Pangong. Sources said that there was no progress made during the meetings. China, in fact, had tried fresh intrusion on August 31st, even while ground commanders were meeting to resolve standoff due to Chinese intrusion bid a day earlier. Despite talks between the two sides, China has consistently violated the agreed norms and betrayed the Indian side by resorting to provocations. The latest provocation by China were reported from South Pangong, Chumar and Depsang, like I just showed you. Now, we do know that the talks previously have been futile. This is another round of talks that have just begun. In fact, India and China have been at loggerheads for decades now, but over the last 4 months, things have gone out of control. China, they of course facing heat from across the globe. We know the United States as well now stepping in to condemn China and its expansion plans, saying that China has a habit of suppressing its people and bullying its neighbors. The only way to fight China is to stand up against it. And here is India there, thwarting all attempts by China to intrude into these areas which is declared as the Indian side of the border. And Chinese, the way they do it, very deceitful, of course, trying to creep up at the dead of the night, hoping that the Indian officials or the army is asleep. Well, tough luck there. Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us for more details on that. Kamaljeet, we understand that another round of talks, brigadier level talks, have just begun. Take us through the details. What's happened over the last few rounds of talks? We're looking at another round. We're hoping that some settlement comes through.
Well, obviously, the Indian army is looking at disengagement. They are looking at easing of tensions, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Whether you see the Indian army statement or for that matter, the MEA statement, which said even as the talks were on, there was fresh escalation from the Chinese side. This obviously is an ominous indication. And remember, Bipin Rawat, the CDS, clearly indicated that all options are on the table, including the military options. Now, what is the fresh aggression? Remember, the Chinese statement itself is coming out, is pointing fingers at India. This is obviously quite contrary to what is happening on the ground. The senior officials are keeping a very keen eye. Remember, both the MOD, the MHA, the Prime Minister office, all are looking at the situation extremely closely, and not just the line of actual control. We also believe there's a heightened sense of alert at the international border, western border with Pakistan. We are also looking at a sense of fortification and deployment at the eastern front, which is also with the Indo-Nepal border.
Right.
So very clearly, India is on a high alert, but it is the Ladakh standoff which seems to be a cause of major concern, and we're keenly looking at whether it's the options of talks which will bring in dividends. But clearly, China upping the ante, what they've done at the Kala Top, which is the black tabletop, as well as the helmet tabletop, these are signs of fresh escalation and clearly need to be resolved. And this is where
Kamal,
the Indian army is obviously meeting in Chushul, and we know there is constant engagement going on. But the message has to be sent across to China is also something that most part of the establishment believe in.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.